For everyone using Android phone, pay proper attention to this particular tutorial because quite a lot number of people that are deleting or uninstall app on their Android phone does not know about this, and I decided to make a video about it to show you even if you delete or uninstall any app on your Android phone, your Gmail account is still connected. What you need to do to fix the problem and remove every access to a particular app from your Gmail account and your Android data. Let me show you how. I'm going to use this particular app as an example. This is a Dropbox app right here. Now, for instance, people a lot click and hold down, and then they simply click on uninstall right here. I want to show you something. Click on uninstall and click on OK. Now, believe that the app has been fully uninstalled, just like so. Uninstall Dropbox. But this is the wrong way. Some apps here, when you remove them on your Android phone, they still have data, they still have access to your Gmail account. How can you revoke them completely from having access to your Gmail account? What you need to do is to simply open up your Gmail app right here. Open up your Gmail app. Having opened up your Gmail app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on manage your Google account. Then go ahead and click on security and sign in. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to see all connections. Then scroll down right here. Then here you go. You can see we still have Dropbox right here. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and simply click on it. Then we want to make sure we scroll down right here and click on delete all right here. Then we want to make sure we click on confirm. Then refresh your page. Boom. Now you can see the access to our Gmail account has been revoked completely for Dropbox. This is not the end. The very last section you need to do is to go ahead and proceed to your Google Play Store. Access from your Gmail account to completely remove all access. Open up your Play Store right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Click on manage app and device. Click on manage. Click on here. Click on not installed. Then here you go. You can see we still have it right here. All you have to do is to click on here. Having select on that, click on this trash icon right here. Remove selected app. Removed app won't appear here, but can be reinstalled again from the Play Store. Go ahead and click on remove. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Android device like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.